For thousands of years, Laozi's Dao De Jing has been widely circulated. It's not only passed down among scholars and common people, but also revered by emperors and kings throughout history. Even today, we still talk about morals at every turn. But what is the Dao? What is De? And how should we walk the path of Dao and cultivate De? Today, we trace the footsteps of the sages through words, once again revisiting those wise teachings as a tribute and a continuation. There is only one Dao in the world. This Dao is not only discussed by Taoists, but also by Confucianists and various other schools of thought. This Dao is the Dao of the I Ching, known as the Yi Dao. It's evident that besides principles and techniques, the I Ching also includes a section on morals. Laozi is the leading figure in explaining the moral aspect of the I Ching. The Dao De Jing is Laozi's masterpiece, with his voice heard from beginning to end, speaking only of two words, Dao and De. For millennia, Laozi's wisdom in the Dao De Jing has resonated across cultures. Today, we're delving into the essence of the Dao and the Jing, exploring their profound meanings. Join us in unlocking the secrets of ancient wisdom. Sign up now for Workshop 1, Harmony of Dao and I Ching. Let's walk the path of enlightenment together.